So today our topic is in Siemens. In Siemens hardware section. In hardware section we understand in last video I explained in PLC LED status. Now in this video I will explain there some module and there are two types of module we explain their hardware LED. One is a SIMATIC 1500 PLC modules IO channels and another is a status LED of the SIMATIC ET200. So one by one I explain. These are 1500 PLC module with integrated of input output module. These are IO cards. They are integrated. There are some modules are separately, but this in this model there are some all integrated modules. So one by one understand what is the purpose of these LEDs, and these LEDs also we explain and how to diagnose in real time hardware some troubleshooting skills. So first of all, I explain the input and output module status LED, and these three LED in each module have at least one LED for status. The status represent what is the current condition of the module. In SIMATIC 1500 and ET200 MP channel input and output module 3 LED. So in you can see there 3 LED all showing here. Each module have 3 LED. There one is a green and two is off right now. So we understand purpose of this LED, some basic rule of diagnostic module. This LED is in multicolor and changing color based on the module status. So these LEDs are multicolor. We can check what is the purpose. So first of all, first LED. So this is my first LED is a journal status. The module healthiness condition they represent. If LED is off, maybe channel is not active, maybe some power supply P is the power supply is missing. So sometimes this LED is getting off, so maybe channel is not active, and this LED is different type of colors. If LED is a green means module is ready for operation execution without any issue, and this LED and showing steady state light same, it means the module is ready for operation function properly automation system. If this LED start flashing and different color means module is not ready for operation. The reason unhealthy we can analyze with the help of TIA portal. So if LED is means purpose of this LED, you can simply understand. If LED is green, other two is off means system is IO channel is healthy. If LED is green and module center one is a red means center one is LED. If red means module is a unhealthy. Reason is the maybe some wire short circuit, maybe some hardware problem, wiring is mismatch, plus minus mismatch, signal input sourcing is mismatch, so error is represent here. So error free module is LED is off. Mainly purpose is this LED is off. If LED is on means there's some maintenance and some troubleshooting work start. Problem suspected area for this module. And third LED is mainly features. There's some firmware, some special function inside this particular channel. So at the time the execution, the LED is glow means yellow color, or sometimes the firmware update, the LED is blinking. So these LEDs are mainly purpose of the center one LED is always off. If center one LED is on means their channel is some unhealthy condition. So these are input output module status. So we understand what is the purpose of this LED. Now we explain this their channel input output status their LEDs. So you check here, these LEDs are some glow, their light is on, and other is a some off. So these LED is a their one side is a 20 LED, 20 channels, 20 is a total 40. So 21 side and 21 side, 21 side, 21 side. These LEDs are this combination pack. So here is same thing. Each channel 20 LED left side and 20 LED the right side, 20 terminal left side and 20 terminal right side. From top to bottom, the terminal number 1 to 1 to 20. So means here you start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 20. And here you start 21, 22, 23, 24, and now we go 40. So ordering of sequence this way, addressing. Same thing. So LED is suppose my green means signal is okay, no any issue. If red means some error, means some our signal is something problem. If red is blinking means our wiring is something short, the plus minus short, or over maximum current goes to then blinking. These are basic problem in general maintenance. So sometimes they are red blinking, at the time this red is blinking, so your center LED is also red is on, means this their hardware one input is a trouble, so red LED is center one is also on. So you can see same thing. No signal means LED is off, means no signal. If signal green means signal is active. It's simple. So same like here you explain. There one AI 8 channel module. The group is a 1 2 3 4, and this is a, and this is supply voltage is okay. This is a supply voltage PS. This is a supply voltage. This is a supply. Your channel is supply. So I explain this hardware part. Here you check. If you open this, if you try to open, how to open, you check. These are inside TVs, the terminal, their wiring is inside 20 channels one side, so you can wired. These are wiring part. All input output are connected here. There's some addressing, so you can check. Okay, so now next is a ET200. ET200 key. If you're talking about ET200, so I will explain some photos. These are modules ET200 SP. ET200 SP same, just like three LEDs, and one is a each module one is a status LED. DIJ, diagnose means if LED is blinking. There are different type of DI 16 into 24 volt DC, DI 16 in 24 volt DC, DI DQ. DQ is a 16 means output, and AQ AI. So AI, so diagnose is a green means all input modules are okay, and my ET200 is a ET200 SP is also healthy. Their all LEDs glow. This is a healthy condition LED status. If something red and other color, so you can analyze these are some error. So here is also same, just like other our previous. The one is LED is a green, and these are diagnostic. So you can check, these are diagnostic LED. You can easily understand. So you can check same method for ET200, and one LED is a top side. So this LED module is ready for operation. If LED is red means module error. Same. If LED is red means your module is error. DIUG, diagnose. If LED is red means your module is error. Clear? Okay. So here SIMATIC ET200 SV supply status you can see here. Supply, you can see PWR they are a power supply. So all our power supply is okay. Their power supply status they are showing power supply. You can check their healthiness condition. These are power supply. PWR is a power supply. So power supply is okay, and input output status if you see, there are input output status. If you're talking about input output status, these are input output, they are 16. So these are input output. If you see 0 to there are address, so we can observe these are input output address, and LED is glow means this output is high, this output is high. If not glow means output is not active. It's a simple, very basic. Okay, thank you.